Republic Act Number 9292. Article 1, General Provisions. 1. Short title. 2. Statement of Policy. 3. Definition and interpretation of terms. 4. Categories of practice. 5. Nature and scope of practices of electronics engineering and electronics technician professions. Article 2. Professional Regulatory Board of Electronics Engineering. 6. Composition of the Board. 7. Powers and functions of the Board. 8. Qualifications of the Board members. 9. Term of office. 10. Compensation and allowance of Board. 11. Removal of Board members. 12. Custodian of Board records, Secretariat, and support services. Article 3. Examination, registration, and licensure. 13. Licensure examination. 14. Qualifications for examination. 15. Scope of examination for electronics engineers and electronics technician. 16. Ratings. 17. Release of the results of examination. 18. Qualification and schedule of registration for professional electronics engineering. 19. Issuance of the certificate of registration and professional identification card. 20. Registration without examination for electronics technicians. 21. Non-issuance of a certificate of registration and or professional identification card for certain grounds. 22. Professional oath. 23. Revocation and suspension of certificate of registration, professional identification card, and cancellation of special permits. 24. Restatement, reissuance of replacement of certificate of registration and professional identification card. 25. Roster of professional electronics engineers, and electronics technician. 26. Exemptions for examination and registration. Article 4. Practice of professional electronics engineering, and electronics technician. 27. Practice of the profession. 28. Prohibition and limitation of practice of electronics engineering and electronics technician profession. 29. Seal of the professional electronics engineers. 30. Code of ethics and code of technical standards of practice. Article 5. Sundry provisions. 31. Continuing profession education, CPE, and or development programs. 32. Integrated and accredited professional organization. 33. Foreign reciprocity. 34. Position in government requiring the service of registered and licensed professional electronics engineers, and electronics technician. Article 6. Penal provision and assistance of law enforcement agency. 35. Penal provision. 36. Assistance of law enforcement and other government agency. Article 7. Transitory provisions. Section 37. Transitory provisions. 38. Vested rights, electronics and communication engineers when this law is passed. Article 8. Final provision. Implementing rules and regulation. 40. Appropriations. 41. Separability clause. 42. Repealing clause. 43. Effectivity. 5.1 5 571 5714 44225 5714 44225